everyone, my name is Efren Sinagar from the Accounting Study Program, Class AKT 23A. We study ID number 234120131. In this video, I will discuss a very important topic, which is health and safety in the workplace. Let's learn together how to maintain safety and health at work so that we can all work safely and comfortably. Safety in the workplace, commonly referred to as occupational health and safety, is a crucial aspect that must be a primary concern in every work environment. OHS aims to protect workers from various risks of accidents, injuries, and occupational disease that could endanger their safety and well-being. By consistently applying OHS principles, companies not only safeguard the physical and mental health of their employees but also create a productive and conducive working environment. This is very important because workplace accidents, health issues that are not properly addressed can cause significant material and moral loss for both workers and the company. Effective implementation of OHS begins with the identification and assessment of risk in the workplace, known as risk assessment. This process involves mapping potential hazards, whether physical hazards such as machinery and heavy equipment, hazardous chemicals, or ergonomic and social risks. After identifying the risks, preventive and control measures must be systematically designed and implemented. For example, using appropriate personal protective equipment or PPE, arranging the workplace layout safely, and enforcing strict standard operating procedures. Risk assessment is not a one-time activity but must be conducted regularly and continuously following change in work condition and technology. The use of personal protective equipment or PPE is an essential component in protecting workers from hazard. PPE such as safety helmets, masks, gloves, protective footwear, and hearing protections must be selected according to the type of risk faced in the job. However, the success of PPE use greatly depends on workers' awareness and discipline in using it correctly. Therefore, training and socializations about the importance of PPE must be conducted regularly so that workers understand its function and proper usage, ensuring maximum protection. In addition to PPE, comprehensive safety training is necessary to enhance workers' competence and awareness. This training covers various aspects, including safe work procedure, hazard recognition, handling hazardous materials, and emergency response such as evacuation and first aid. Effective training not only provides theory but also simulation and practical experience so that workers can apply the knowledge properly in the field. Thus, the risk of accidents can be minimized and responses to emergencies become faster and more accurate. A healthy and safe work environment depends not only on work's behavior but also on management of facilities and physical conditions of the workplace. Clean lines, adequate lighting, good ventilation, and the proper arrangement of equipment and traffic routes play a significant role in preventing accidents and health problems. For instance, slippery or cluttered floors can cause slips or trips, while poor ventilation may lead to the accumulation of harmful, harmful substances and reduce air quality. Therefore, companies must routinely inspect and maintain the work environment to always meet safety and health standards. Preparedness for emergencies is also an integral part of the OHS program. Every workplace should be equipped with facilities such as fire extinguishers, first aid kits, and clearly accessible evacuation routes free of obstacles. Furthermore, emergency response procedures must be clearly written and communicated to all workers. Regular evacuation drills are highly recommended so that workers become familiar with the steps to take during fires, earthquakes, or the accidents. These drills also serve to, the, to test the effectiveness of procedures and the readiness of all organizational elements in facing emergencies. The role of company management is critical to the success of OHS implementation. Employers must demonstrate strong commitment by providing adequate resources, ranging from safety facilities, training, to supervision of OHS rule enforcement. This commitment should be reflected in company policies and become part of the organizational culture. When leadership sets an example and gives serious attention to workplace safety, all employees will be motivated to comply with the rules and maintain collective safety. On the other hand, works also have a significant responsibility in maintaining their own safety and that of their workers. They must adhere to all OHS procedures, properly use PPE, and actively report potential hazards or incidents occurring in the workplace. A protective attitude and awareness of the importance of workplace safety will create a safer environment and reduce the rise of harmful incidents. Besides physical aspect, attention to workers' mental health is also vital in the OHS program. Excessive work stress can reduce concentration and increase the risk of accidents. Therefore, companies need to provide supporting facilities such as counseling, stress management, and other mental well-being programs. A supportive work environment and good communication between management and workers can also help reduce psychological pressures and improve overall well-being. Overall, the implementation of health and safety at work is a valuable investment for the future of the company and the welfare of its workers. A safe and healthy work environment not only protects workers from risk of accidents and disease but also increases productivity, efficiency, and the company's reputation. Therefore, all parties from management workers to the OHS team must commit and work synergistically to consistently and sustainable apply OHS principles. In this way, we can create a workplace that is not only productive but also safe and comfortable for everyone. In addition to implementing occupational health and safety standards, it is crucial for companies to conduct regular and systematic monitoring and evaluation of their OHS programs. This ongoing process ensures that all safety procedures, policies, and protocols are not only documented but actively Prestige can enforce it throughout the organizations. Monitoring helps to identify any gaps or weakness in the current safety measures, while evaluation provides insights to the effectiveness of these measures. By doing so, companies can promptly address areas with high risk or non-compliance, make necessary improvements, and adapt to any change in work conditions or regulations to continuously ensuring workplace safety. One of modern technology has greatly contributed to improving the implementation of occupational health and safety in the workplace. For instance, automatic sensors can detect hazardous gas leaks early, preventing potential poisoning or explosions. Surveillance cameras help monitor work areas to ensure compliance with safety protocols and quickly identify unsafe behaviors. Additionally, digital platforms and mobile applications enable workers to report incidents or hazard incidents, facilitating faster responses and documentation. By integrating these technologies, companies and proactively manage risks, reduce human error, and create a safer working environment for all employees. Effective and open communication between management and workers plays a vital role in the success of any workplace safety program. It is essential that workers feel empowered and safe to voice concerns, report unsafe conditions, or suggest improvements without fear of retaliation or punishment. This open dialogue fosters trust and collaboration, allowing management to gain valuable insights from those directly involved in daily operations. On the other hand, management must be responsive, transparent, and take immediate action when safety issues arise. This two-way communication strengthens the overall safety cultures and ensures the problems are resolved before they escalate into accidents or injuries. Beyond the technical aspect and procedural compliance, cultivating a strong and positive safety culture within the organization is fundamental in sustaining long-term workplace safety. A safety culture means that safety is deeply embedded as a core value and shared responsibility among all employees, from top management to frontline workers. It goes beyond mere rule following. It becomes a habitual mindset where everyone actively looks out for hazards and supports each other in maintaining safe practice. Building such a culture requires continuous education, regular reinforcement through training programs, recognition and rewards for safe behavior, and active participation from all levels of the company. When safety becomes part of the organizational identity, it significantly reduces accidents and promotes well-being. In conclusion, occupational health and safety is not the responsibility of a single individual or department, but a collective duty that requires collaboration and commitment from every member of the organization. By fostering a strong partnership between management, workers, and safety teams, and by rigorously applying safety standards and cultivating a protective safety culture, companies can create a work environment that is not only safe and healthy but also highly productive and motivating. This holistic approach to safety management ultimately leads to sustainable benefits including reduced injury rates, lower costs related to accidents, enhanced employee morale, and a positive reputation within the industry and communication.